YouTube, welcome back to the Garage Couple. Today we're going to be telling you guys about 5 mods under $100. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, wait till the end of the video to figure out how you guys could win free LED headlights. Number 5 on our list is the Gladiator Grill. Now I know some people don't like it, they think it might not be good for the engine, but it's a replacement grill, so we don't have any issues with heating or cooling the engine. Love the way it looks, I love that it's black and it makes the car look very neat.
Some people think you have to have 7 slots, otherwise it's not a Jeep Wrangler, but not everyone has the same taste. I agree, the 7 slots look good, but it's not absolutely necessary. This gives it a little bit of character, especially for Ollie.
Number 4 on our list is the side door step. Super great, very practical, and honestly just a lot of fun to get on the roof of the car.
We like that it folds up when we're not using it, and we like that it folds down right when we need it. We like to also sit on the Jeep when we go to the beach or if we go camping, just to get a better view of the area. And before we got the side step, it was really difficult to do that. So we went ahead and put the side step on, and now that things have changed. Mod number 3 on our list is this under-seat subwoofer that we installed. We picked this up on Amazon. It was under $100. It wired up pretty regularly, just as any other subwoofer wires up. It is a powered sub, so you don't need a separate amplifier for it. It was exactly snug enough to fit underneath the seat, and it makes a whole lot of difference in the sound. Now, when the Jeeps come from the factory, they're definitely lacking in the bass. So the fact that we were able to add this bass directly under the driver's seat changed the game for Auline and everyone else that rides along with her.
Mod number 2 on our list are wheel spacers. So as you can see, my tires poke out pretty far and I don't have a lift at all. These go right inside, they're super easy to install and they give you a little bit more room. It's 2 inches.
Makes it really easy to turn the steering wheel lock to lock without having to upgrade the wheels. I know our wheels here are upgraded, but the back spacing is pretty similar to stock. So even with these large 35-inch wheels on a stock suspension, we're able to still turn without any rubbing whatsoever.
And our number 1 favorite mod of all is our 50-inch light bar. This has both spotlight as well as floodlights. We've used this countless times when we're camping or off-roading, puts out great light, and honestly looks really cool.
And people don't believe that it's under 100, but many different places online sell it, and we'll go ahead and link our favorite one.
Thanks for watching 5 mods under $100. Make sure you leave a comment below, let us know what you think. Maybe you have some ideas that we didn't talk about. And please make sure to hit that subscribe button.
Thank you so much for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on what you want to be seen or installed on our Jeeps. As Auline said earlier, we're going to be doing a giveaway. So here's how you can get a pair of free 7-inch LED headlights for your Jeep or any other vehicle that accepts these style headlights. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and once we get to 500 subscribers, we're going to be picking one person at random and we're going to send them a new set of 7-inch LED Jeep headlights. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you on our next video.